best thing for holiday that you can see all the nice places like this one, Marina. That's Marina, guys. Beautiful. The best. I like in Australia because they have a nice places. And that's my husband there. Hello, husband. Look at